At top 10 most powerful fighter jets on Earth, dominating the skies now at number 10. Eurofighter Typhoon Europe, a 4.5 generation multi-role fighter with super cruise, advanced avionics, and high agility, strong in both air-to-air and ground attack roles. At number 9, Dassault Rafale France. Multi-role, nuclear capable, supports air superiority and strike missions with advanced radar and sensors, versatile and combat proven. At number 8, Boeing F-15EX Eagle to USA, modern version of a proven platform, enormous weapons payload, long range, heavy strike capability, raw power over stealth. At number 7, Sukhoi Su-35S Russia, for ++ generation. Russian super maneuverable fighter with heavy armament and high performance, represents pure air combat power. At number 6, Sukhoi Su-57 Felon Russia, a 5th generation stealth fighter. Internal weapons bays, thrust vectoring engines, designed for air superiority and deep strike. At number 5, Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon China, China's stealth long-range fighter. Emphasis radar evasion, internal carriage and extended strike reach power projection. At number 4, Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning to USA and Allies 5th generation multi-role stealth, sensor fusion, networked warfare, air-to-air and air-to-ground missions globally deployed. At number 3, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor USA. Air superiority king, stealth, supercruise, thrust vectoring, dominated peer fighters. At number 2, Shenyang FC-31 Falcon China emerging 5th generation stealth fighter carrier capable variant, represents China's next step in power projection air combat. At number 1, KAIKF-21 Borami, South Korea, cutting edge. 4.5 plus 5th generation fighter developed domestically with US collaboration, combining future-ready tech, stealth elements and regional power.